Guys, namumutla na po ako sa sobrang lamig. Mukhang nagkamali kami ng pabalik. Inikot namin yung buong bundok. So, dito kami sinisip na ako. Tinanggal ko na yung jacket kung makapal kasi mabigat. Ito mga 3 kilo rin tong jacket ko. Mabigat siya. So ngayon, kailangan namin mahabol yung sasakyan, yung gondola, yung cable pababa kasi hanggang alas 5 ng araw ko. Tara na, ito na. So this is the gondola that we're going to take going up. There you go.
Nice one. It's like an egg, the form of an egg.
So
Yeah.
we're going up.
Yes.
Yep, we are in Satel, Luzerne Canton, and we're going to which? Monstelberg?
Yeah, Monstelberg.
Yeah, Monstelberg. So we are inside a cable. This is a cable car for me. This is a gondola, but they call it here gondola. And this is the first ever rotating gondola. Okay, so it's not hard for me to take
yeah.
video.
Look,
So
it's really around.
it turns
Goes
around
really
but
around.
smoothly.
Like,
Yeah. So we're going up. Yeah, yeah. Oh, shit. And here. Look. Tell more about this place.
so this is close to the Zuger Lake in the center of Switzerland. Around, and yeah, we will see a bit panoramic view. We just make a little walk in the snow if there is still snow. But this gondola is in the world the only one which turns around.
Yeah. So.
And
I hope
now
you
I
enjoy.
sit in the back, and I can see down.
So let's see more.
Without that, we notice.
Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos natin. Tamang na rin yun, aakyat kami sa bundok. So gamit ang gondolang ito, sakay ng gondola. At doon sa taas ay merong walking area. It's what is the exact word? It's like a hiking area. So we're going there on top. Then I'll show you more.
I'm now in that side.
So may ikot po ang gondola. At makikita natin yung mga kabahayan sa baba. Ano? Guys, andito tayo sa tuktok ng bundok ng Stokely. Ito yung rondo, ito yung cable car na nagdala sa amin dito sa taas. So ngayon ay mag-start na yung hiking. Okay.
Yep. Oh, look, guys. It's slippery. So, go down, slide down.
Okay.
Yep.
Take a video.
Okay.
I will try to slide.
So, shout out to Furts. Nice one.
Look. Wet.
And now there's a hole in the pants now.
Suot kami sa gubat. Huh? Yeah. Grill sila. Guys, meron dito maliit na bahay kubo. Look. Yung bubungan. Mga namuong ice. So we're still tracking the road. Simoy ng hangin. Ang sarap. Walang kukurap. Makikita na natin yung hinahanap nating panoramic view. Kita niyo na gaano kagandang Alps dito. Yan. Di ba? Sarap dito eh. Sarap ng hangin. Fresh lahat. So tara, close up pa natin. Yeah. Guys, look yung mga kabayan doon sa baba. Yan o. Yung lake.
Look, guys, we are here somewhere inside of on the Alps. And look guys, how beautiful is this? All the Alps here. That's the view panorama way we walk around. And the sound of the cowbell, you can listen here even. It's like really all here, of course, first. And you just subscribe.
Sino mag-aakala itong mga taong ito ay gustong tumira sa ganito layo sa city? Sa bundok nito eh. Such beautiful here. Right? Guys, Alps. Kilala pong Switzerland sa Alps at saka sa lake at saka sa naggagandahang kakahuyan, ice at saka iba pa, glacier, what I mean. Okay, nandito na kami sa panoramic. Ayun, kita nyo ang Alps sa harap namin. Ayun,
Okay. Okay.
okay.
First we'll play a song now with the bells. Let's go. 1, 2. Da na na Parklicht steht Stadt der Wissig guys. And I guess it makes the music. Oh, yeah, you need to go totally around.
Grabe. Nakarating din kami sa gondola site. Pababa. Kasi eksaktong 5 o'clock kami po ay dapat makababa. 5 minutes. Natipid namin. Takbo.
I tell you, we made a wonderful road trip when we saw all the mountains panorama in Lucerne around. But I tell you, we made it to the last minute. We catch the last gondola. Just we arrived few minutes before the last gondola goes down. Because in Switzerland, we have to be always on time. If you are too late, they don't wait. They don't care about it.
So guys, grabe. So, grabe. Ako, tulo, sipon ko, takbo, snowing, icy road. So kasi pagpunta namin doon ay dapat bumalik kami. Hindi kami bumalik, yung ginawa namin ay umikot. Yung pala yung pang-ikot sobrang layo kasi buong bundok ang aming binagtas. Kaya ito guys, yung huninga ko, saan ko pupulutin. Pababa na po kami ngayon. Okay. Ooh. What is that? Taking a picture.